How to transfer from Binance to PayPal. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can send or transfer your crypto Bitcoin from Binance to PayPal. First thing first, you're going to have to open up your Binance application and make sure that you're logged in. And once you've opened it up, you're going to head over to wallet. So first thing you're going to have to do is copy your wallet address. So head over to wallet at the bottom right. And once you get to wallet, just select the withdraw option. And from here, you're going to have to select the Bitcoin or any other crypto which you want to transfer to get the wallet address of. Tap on it. And here you are going to have to click on withdraw. Then from here, you will have an option to enter the wallet address. To get this, you're going to have to open up your PayPal first. And on your PayPal, what you need to do is you can find the wallet address on the home screen, but if you don't see it, head over to Finances at the bottom. Once you are on the Finance tab, head over to Crypto tab. And once you get to crypto, you can click on Bitcoin or any other crypto that you want to get a wallet address from. And then from here, click on the transfer option right at the bottom on those arrows. And it's going to be a receiving end, so click on Receive. Then you'll get your wallet address. So click on the copy address button and go back to your Binance and just paste the address here. Once you've pasted it, click on next and then enter the amount of Bitcoin that you want to withdraw. Now simply click on next again and it will show you all of your details like your address, your withdrawal fee, and what you will get. Then after doing that, you can just click on withdraw BTC and you're good to go. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys. I'll see you on the next video.